Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Jacob Letman here. Thanks for being here with me. We've got another way today that you can earn more income as a driver. That's what it's all about, right? Bringing in more income. Hey, if you're not doing this already, you can be a part-time driver, a full-time driver. This is gonna add more income to your pockets. We're talking about Play Octopus. If you haven't gotten it already, all you have to do is give at least 100 rides a month. That's it. And you can be eligible for a free tablet from Play Octopus. And here's what it is, basically, right? There's this company, Play Octopus, and they will send drivers free tablets with free LTE service. I think it's called LTE. Internet service, and on these tablets they're loaded with games that your passengers can play. They have your driver information on there so they can see more about you as their driver, and they're completely free. Again, all you have to do is give 100 rides a month, and you also have to have been driving for at least 2 months. I tell you what, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the start a screen recording here and show you the website. So there's a link in the video description below for Play Octopus where you can sign up and get your free tablet. Here is their website, okay, playoctopus.com. And what you're gonna do, so live games, ride information, interactive ads. Let's go to for drivers here. Okay, so you can get a free tablet. Again, if you follow our link in the video description below, that'll take you where you need to go. So a lot of drivers, if you read the ratings from other drivers, a lot of them talk about earning more money in tips. You can earn up to $100 a month just from having the tablet in your vehicle, and you get paid out from passenger interaction on that by them playing games, and it's all paid for via the advertising that Play Octopus has set up for their tablets. It's a great option if you don't like to carry conversation with your passengers all the time. It'll keep them preoccupied, something to focus on and have fun with. Passengers can earn rewards also, so that's fun. Here's a list, if you look at the screen recording here, of all of the cities in which it is, so all of the major cities in the US, right? Here's some frequently asked questions. How does it work? So drivers that give 100 rides a month, riders enjoy the games, they get prizes, they can see your driver information, other content. There you go. Runs ads, which allows them to provide this for free and compensate drivers, which is what we're looking for, right? Get that compensation. It is legit. Over 90% of our drivers report higher tips or ratings. Testimonials, which we'll check out in a second. Riders say fun playing free games, winning prizes, friendlier conversations, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and busy riders can put it to sleep. Okay, there you go. How much does it cost? Nothing, as long as you continue to drive more than 100 rides a month. So if you drop below that, you can return the tablet. You can return it anytime for free. Yes, they pay drivers. Here you go, $100 per month plus. Referrals are $25 each. So that's great. If you know any other drivers that don't have this, you say, hey, this is a no-brainer. Use my referral code, sign up, get your free tablet, earn some extra income. If the tablet is stolen, they say it's very rare. If you give a police report, they will waive the tablet loss for fee. It doesn't matter if you drive for Uber or Lyft, qualify 100 rides per month, and been driving for at least 2 months. Okay, so there is that stipulation also. They need your debit card so they can compensate you, and you are responsible for returning the tablet if you do fall below that 100 ride a month mark, which again is pretty low. Even if you're driving part-time, 25 rides a week on average, not very much. Where can you get the tablet? So again, link in the video description below. Let's do this. Let's go to the testimonials real quick. Where did that? Here we go. Just so you can see what some of the other drivers are saying about it. Don't take my word for it. All right, let's check it out. Okay, this person hit 10,000 milestone. Holy smokes. There you go, that's cool. Only 5 referrals, lifetime earnings 1,350. Pretty good just from having. Okay, yeah, that's actually not what I wanted to see. There was, hold on a sec. There are reviews. Here we go. Read driver reviews. This is what I wanted to see. This is what we're looking for. Let's see. Trying to cash out my money. Blah blah blah. Well, okay, doesn't help us. Passive income. A lot of 5 stars. Great addition to the experience. So excited. It's fun and my riders enjoy it. Okay. I mean, there's some Spanish on there. 3 weeks. Here you go. I definitely recommend this to every rideshare driver out there. I've had the tablet for about 3 weeks now, and I noticed the increase of my tips and rating the other day after I installed the tablet, for real. So honestly, here's the thing. You don't have anything to lose. It's a no-brainer, right? You can passively make more income. Super easy, not a lot to it. It's an option for your passengers if they want to play games and keep themselves entertained and win prizes. It's a conversation topic. All good things. If you've used it before, get at me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts on it. If you haven't, now's your chance. Check out the link in the video description below. Sign up for Play Octopus. Earn that extra $100 a month. I'm Jacob Letman. This is Rideshare Hub. Till the next time, you guys, stay safe out there.